NEMPAL 152. Professional Y-Nail is a fast-curing solvent-based construction adhesive engineered for professional applications, such as flooring and interior wall panel installations. 10 reasons why professionals choose NEMPAL 152. Reason 1. Non-sag, gap bridging. NEMPAL 152 doesn't sag, even on vertical or sloped surfaces. When applied in blobs, it doesn't flatten out. This makes it ideal for stair steps and uneven subfloors, bridging gaps and holding floorboards firmly in place, reducing hollowness. The same advantage applies to skirting boards and decorative wall panels, where uneven walls are a common job site challenge. Reason 2. High wetting characteristic. Effective surface penetration. NEMPAL 152 offers excellent wetting and effective surface penetration. When you press the parts together, it weights the surfaces properly and transfers well to both sides. That makes it more forgiving on rough or imperfect substrates and easier to work with on site. Reason 3. Fast grab, efficient workflow. Installers often use the press-pull-press method on the job site. What sets NEMPAL 152 apart is its optimized solvent system. It evaporates faster, so the adhesive tacks off and grabs sooner. This allows the stairs to handle on-site foot traffic shortly after installation. For decorative wall panels, the quick initial grab helps hold panels in place, reducing the need for temporary support. Reason 4. Strong lap shear performance, reliable bonding. NEMPAL 152 is formulated with a rich rubber-based polymer content. After curing, this gives the adhesive high cohesive strength, which translates into strong lap shear performance during service. As a result, bonded objects like stair floorboards and wall panels are able to stay secure and perform reliably over a longer period of time. Reason 5. Slightly elastic. Allow movement. The key ingredient is a rubber-based thermoplastic elastomer. After the solvent evaporates, the adhesive retains slight elasticity. This flexibility allows bonded materials, like floorboards, to expand and contract naturally. On the job site, this really matters when stair boards aren't fully acclimatized and are installed straight out of the box. A stiff adhesive can't absorb that movement, and gaps may start to appear. Reason 6. Balanced rigidity. Easier rectification.
NEMPAL 152 delivers a secure bond without curing excessively stiff. When rectification is required, overly rigid adhesives can crack, chip, or damage the substrate during removal. While mechanical tools are still required, the balanced cured modulus of NEMPAL 152 allows more controlled removal, reducing unnecessary damage and simplifying rectification work.
Reason 7. Free of harmful methylene chloride.
Some fast-grabbing construction adhesives contain methylene chloride, a cheap solvent known to be highly hazardous, especially on indoor job sites. It has been banned or restricted in a number of countries due to safety and health concerns. NEMPAL 152 is formulated without methylene chloride. Instead, it delivers fast grab through a more controlled and job site-friendly solvent system.
Reason 8. Natural wood-like color.
NEMPAL 152 features a natural, wood-like color. During floor installation, a small amount of squeeze-out is sometimes unavoidable. With its natural color tone, any minor excess is less noticeable, helping you achieve a cleaner finish on the job site.
Reason 9. Stops flowing when you stop pressing.
Some solvent-based construction adhesives continue to ooze from the cartridge even after you release the trigger and relieve the pressure. That's a rheology issue in formulation. NEMPAL 152 stops flowing the moment you stop applying pressure. This gives you better control and a cleaner job on site.
Reason 10. Works on various common substrates.
Modern floor coverings and decorative wall panels come in many forms, including SPC, WPC, PVC, wood, charcoal, and composite boards. However, not all adhesives can achieve reliable bonding on these substrates, particularly low-surface energy plastics. NEMPAL 152 is designed to work across these common materials, providing reliable bonding for both flooring and decorative wall panel installations.